Before we start the topic of reported speech, we need to necessarily look at the topic of embedded questions. Now normally you would get question 1 and question 2, and what embedded questions are all about is that you put one question, like question 2, into question number 1, so one question into the other. Normally in a question you have a specific word order, verb, subject. So verb is and subject Jack, tell verb and subject me. So that's the verb subject word order in questions. But in embedded questions, when you put one question into the other question, the question number 2 that you put in question number 1 needs to have a changed word order into subject verb. Let's have a look. The question number 1 here is, can you tell me? Question number 2 is, where is Jack? But when you put question number 2 into question number 1, what you get is, can you tell me where Jack is? So subject verb. Now let this idea sink in a little bit. So watch this movie once or twice, read these questions again, make sure that you understand this concept of one question being put into another and the word order of the question number 2 being changed as it is put in question number 1. So make sure you understand this, because this is going to be very important later when we discuss reported speech and reported when there is some question being reported in the in reported speech. This topic is going to come up, so make sure you understand this well. Read it again, watch the movie again, and we'll do some exercises in a moment.